Try to close this up. Rubber stamp and stencil. So it stencils all the pieces of the body of the bee. I also have this hexagon, or I'm sorry, honeycomb cluster, bee's knees dies, and a stamp set as well. That all came in the kit. I could just make bee stuff till the cows come home, but I got other stuff to do. So I'm going to put the bee stuff away. I mean, this bee collection away, but not bees, because I'm still doing bees. I think I'm also using this On Occasion by Tailored Expressions, as well as this die set, which was a free with purchase. So you spend $100, you got that free for that particular month. We're going to do two, I believe, two shaker cards together. So here is one of the cards that I made that is not a shaker. And it uses that sentiment stamp set as well as the free with purchase frame die set. It uses the honeycomb die and all the other pieces of that collection. And it's in a bright, bright yellow. So I think it's more traditional of what we think of with the bee card stuff. This one's also yellow, just a different shade. So for this one, aside, it's got this piece right here, which is, I'm going to have to cut this sucker down because it looks like I did not cut my, because a lot of times what I'll do, because those rubber stamps, the background dies tend to be bigger than A2 size. And so sometimes I will cut my paper bigger, but not always, just, depends. So I'm going to use this because I have it right in front of me. Generally, when I'm making cards, though, at my desk, if I have large panels like this, most of the time I just use my ATG gun. So I'm going to put this down because this is going to be sort of my background for my shaker. And okay, so there's that. And then my shaker is using that frame, one of those frame dies that was free with purchase. And so that's going to be my, my shaker window. All I did was just put some foam. And so this is Buzz from Honeybee. So I feel like I need more traditional shaker bits. I cannot find any shaker bits. I don't know where all my shaker bits are. At least bee colored ones. So I'm just going to take all the foam off of here. And so these are the skinny foam strips you can get from Tailored Expressions. You can get them from other places too. So I'll take all of that. I feel like I didn't get this one right here. Did I? It's like a little tiny. Oh, I guess I did. I feel like I didn't. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of spread those out. Center that right there. And seal it up. Okay, so now I've got this sentiment, and it just says be happy, and I just white embossed it. And I'm going to put that right here. And then I've got this little bee. Do I want him maybe like that? Be cute. Okay, so I'm going to put my little bee up here. All right, and there we go. Cute. So that's two. And now we're going to do an infinity shaker. So infinity shakers are basically you use acetate to create sort of, a thing for your shaker bits. And you can make these. This one happens to be one that I've left over from a kit from Tailored Expressions. So all I did was put, I put score tape on the inside, and you're going to seal up 3 edges. And I think I show one of my shaker videos how to make your own infinity shaker card. You just use acetate and cut and score. It's pretty easy. This is definitely a much thicker acetate. Of course, I don't have a card for this to go on, but that's okay. I won't worry about that. Usually have a card that it goes on, but I don't know what I did with it. I must have used it for another thing probably. No worries. All right, so there we go. And then we pour, all you do then is pour the pieces that you need in here. Okay. And then we go ahead and we seal it up. And now you have this like amazing shaker, and it will, try not to get them like, see they get a big clump. You know, you have them free flowing. Okay, so now I've got this piece, which is a honeycomb piece. I have mine like held together with score tape in the back, so it doesn't all fall apart. So just a trick of how, you know, how you can make your, I'm sorry, with washi tape. Did I say score tape? I meant washi tape. It's a really good way of using washi tape. Like, aside from just using washi tape, you can use it for things like this. And I use washi tape all the time for helping putting my die cuts through my machine, for holding all my little pieces together, like in this. Okay, now we have this one, Sweet as Can Be, which I'm going to just put right smack in the middle. And then I have a bunch of cute little bees that I can decorate. There's that one. And I'm going to put a bee here. And I'm going to put a bee here, and I'll put a bee right here. Okay, so pretend that this is on a card, because I'll put it on the card front later, but it will just go right on a card front, and it will shake. And I think it's just cute. So we've got these 2 very different shakers and this one right here. So we're all set. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.